Alright, so we just purchased an Airbnb very creatively. We got a DSCR loan. It stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio loan. And with these products, they tend to only lend out on them if they are a performing asset, meaning that the rent or however way you're going to make this investment work brings in more income than what the actual monthly mortgage payment would be. So in this scenario, we're going to Airbnb this cabin, and as long as the Airbnb projected rental income is more than what the monthly payment would be, we'll get approved and they will lend on it. And what's pretty cool about these types of loans is you really don't have to go through the entire type of underwriting process or like background process. So if you have like credit that's like kind of on edge of being approved for the traditional loan, generally you have a better shot of getting approved with this type of loan because they just want the actual asset to perform. And it doesn't really matter if you have bad credit because they're going to be in first position lien anyways. And if you have bad credit and you don't pay your monthly mortgage, they're going to come and take the house and now they have a performing asset. So hopefully that makes sense. But what's really cool about this is we bought this property with $0 out of our pocket. Now, how did that happen? We negotiated with the seller of the cabin. If they would hold the down payment that the DSCR loan would require as a second position lien over a certain amount of terms, give them interest, then we'll definitely buy this property because we didn't want to put a whole lot of money into it, up front. And they agreed, and what's really cool about this is we got a 10-year amortization. I believe what it was, may have been 15, but I think it's 10. And they're giving us 2% interest, which what kind of mortgage product are you going to get 2% interest on in today's world? I think for reference, the traditional conventional loan right now is at like 7%. So pretty cool strategy. We should be closing on that one here soon. But another thing that's really cool about this property is the seller's leaving almost all the furniture behind. So we don't need to come in with a whole lot of upfront costs to get this Airbnb rented. Like there's a pool table, there's a pinball machine, like everything that they're leaving behind, like it's pretty cool. So I hope that a video down the road I can, get in there and do more of a, this is the cabin that we bought. So that kind of concludes this video, but there are cool ways out there that you can buy properties with $0 out of your pocket. And it's not no special guru stuff. Like I'm an everyday kind of guy. I don't belong to no guru type of groups, but there's normal people out there that are doing these kind of things, and you don't need to be some special person. So if this attracts you, like leave a comment below, or if you're interested in learning more, like hit me up on my DMs on Instagram at Brandon Thomas Official. I'll put a link to that below as well. But yeah, I look forward to connecting, and hopefully this video has helped you out in some way.